In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the schedule in QuickBooks Time. To get started, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Schedule. This will open the scheduling area where you can manage and review work schedules in one place. If you're new to this page, don't worry because the layout is very straightforward once you know what you're looking at. When the schedule opens, you'll see your employee list along the side, along with colored bars placed across the calendar. These colored bars represent scheduled shifts or assigned time blocks for each employee on each day of the week. This makes it easy to quickly scan the schedule and understand who is working and when. The color coding can also help you visually separate shifts and identify existing schedule entries at a glance. If you want to make changes, simply click on a cell in the calendar. If the cell is empty, clicking it will allow you to add a new schedule. If a schedule already exists in that cell, clicking it will let you edit the current schedule instead. This makes the process very convenient because you're always just one click away from either creating or adjusting a shift. As you work, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct employee and date so your schedule stays accurate. At the top right of the page, you'll also see a printer icon. If you need a physical copy of the schedule or want to save it as a printable version, just click that printer icon. This is especially helpful if you want to share the schedule outside the system or keep a copy for reference. Along the top bar, you have a few more useful controls. You can edit the date range to view a different period of time, which is helpful if you need to plan ahead or review past schedules. You can also switch between daily, weekly, and monthly views depending on how much detail you want to see. The daily view is great for close-up scheduling, the weekly view gives you a balanced overview, and the monthly view helps with broader planning. As you get comfortable with these options, navigating the schedule becomes much faster and more efficient. The main idea is to use the calendar view to monitor employee shifts, click directly into cells to add or update schedules, print when needed, and adjust the date range or view to match the way you prefer to plan. And that's all there is to using the schedule in QuickBooks Time.